to heaven to get advice. I asked for God, but he didn't have time. Hoped I could be happy, I could be free. From the gun they keep pointing at me.
Cable TV bills enough to work, to sleep at night. Son, it's always worse somewhere else. What a wonderful, wonderful life.
And every time I walk through the basement, every time I go, I would rather stay this way, baby, than wait the back for the blood sucking. I went downstairs just to get